Trophy Arsenal 2-0 Man City. Gunners closing in on Community Shield glory. Arsenal stun Man City. High-voltage Calafiori and Havertz put Gunners 2-0 up. Arsenal shock Manchester City 2-0 at half-time in Community Shield. Arsenal have made a sensational start against Manchester City in the 2026 Community Shield, taking a 2-0 lead at half-time at the Principality Stadium in Cardiff. The Gunners needed almost no time to make their mark. Just 24 seconds after kickoff, Ricardo Calafiori opened the scoring with the fastest goal of the match and one of the fastest goals in Community Shield history. Miles Lewis-Skelly played an important role in creating the opportunity, and Calafiori finished clinically to send Arsenal ahead almost immediately. Manchester City were immediately forced onto the back foot, but Phil Foden and Erling Haaland threatened to bring City back into the contest. David Raya, however, produced an important save to deny Foden, while Haaland also had an opportunity but could not find the target. Arsenal's defensive organization continued to frustrate City's attack. Then came Arsenal's second blow. In the 28th minute, Kai Havertz doubled Arsenal's advantage, finishing another dangerous attacking move. New signing Christos Tzoulis played a key role in creating the chance, making an impressive early impact on his Arsenal debut. At 2-0 down, Manchester City still had plenty of time to respond, but Arsenal continued to look dangerous whenever they won possession and attacked quickly. The first half also highlighted the changing landscape at Manchester City. This is Enzo Maresca's first major competitive match as City's manager following Pep Guardiola's departure, adding another layer of interest to an already highly anticipated fixture. For Mikel Arteta and Arsenal, the opening 45 minutes have been a statement of intent. The Premier League champions have played with intensity, confidence, and attacking purpose, while City have struggled to turn possession into clear-cut chances. However, the match is not over. Manchester City now have the second half to try to produce a comeback, while Arsenal will be looking to protect their two-goal advantage and move closer to another piece of silverware. One thing is already clear: Arsenal have delivered a huge first-half statement in Cardiff. Can Manchester City fight back, or will Arsenal finish the job? The second half could decide everything. Verified status. Halftime, Arsenal 2-0 Manchester City. Soccer ball Calafiori, 1 soccer ball Havertz. 28. Round Pushpin Principality Stadium, Cardiff Trophy 2026 FA Community Shield.